for joining me today. Today I think I'm going to be doing something maybe a little different. I accidentally mixed up a bunch of paint that I was going to use for a swipe, but realized that I used the wrong pouring medium, so now I have a lot of paint for a Dutch pour. So I think what I'm going to try is a Dutch pour and a swipe mixed. So let's see how it goes. Thanks for being here. Please go ahead and hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, share, you know the drill, guys. Thank you for being here, and let's get going.